Here's your wrap on this week's League News. It's almost the end of February and I'm still Laurie Okawa, League Communications Officer. From Monday's Knowledge Source newsletter, On-Course Learning has all the credit union training you need in one place. Be one of 80,000 credit union professionals who take advantage of this webinar training. Here's just a sample of what you can get today. This session will discuss various types of overdraft programs, as well as the many statements and guidance from regulatory agencies. Learn best practices to ensure your program is doing exactly what you expect, and how to handle risks that come with this timely topic. Receive an update on all types of operational issues and problems. Learn what the CFPB has been up to that affects your credit union and its products and deposit accounts. Using proper letter of credit practices can help provide excellent member service and minimize risk. Get a comprehensive look at letters of credit, including terminology, structure, and function. These procedures could save your credit union from expensive fraud and money laundering, or, if improper, they could result in lack of a systematic approach to the AML program. There are numerous compliance requirements when originating a consumer purpose mortgage loan, and not all of them apply all the time. This webinar pays particular attention to current regulations and recent updates. From Credit Union Webinar Network, this session details what directors need most to support their decision-making and enhance their understanding of your credit union's BSA AML risks. Funds availability limits established by Reg CC are changing this July. This session will use real-life scenarios to explain new hold requirements, describe a monitoring and review process, and dissect the required funds availability policy. This high-energy webinar is specifically designed for intermediate debt collectors looking to elevate their performance. Whether you're refining your approach or enhancing your expertise, you will gain confidence and knowledge to excel in today's challenging financial landscape. From Tuesday's Big Idea newsletter, recent moves by the Fed to decrease interest rates have provided some relief from larger fair value discounts. Read how interest rates have influenced deal structures and valuation. If you're like 54% of executives, growing deposits is a top challenge, and it goes far beyond simply acquiring new accounts. Learn how to attract the right prospects that align with your mission and vision, reduce the cost of acquisition, and strengthen account holder retention and loyalty. Many credit unions face challenges in leadership continuity. With an aging workforce, increased retirements, and a competitive hiring market, failing to plan for leadership transitions can create significant operational risk. See how Succession Now can help you prepare for the future. Introducing Sovos, our newest business partner. Unclaimed property is increasingly challenging for many organizations with broad geographic footprints and complex property types. If your credit union lacks time, expertise, or resources to manage an unclaimed property workload, Sovos Unclaimed Property Managed Services could be the answer. People rely on direct mail to plan where to shop, what to purchase, and how to find savings. Engage deal-seeking households nationwide, ready for your exclusive offers. Heading to the ACU GAC in DC? Join TrueStage for a networking reception with credit union leaders, fintech founders, and industry partners. From Thursday's Conversation newsletter. Congratulations to Aloha Pacific FCU's Natasha Golden. She is one of only 10 young professionals nationwide chosen for the Credit Unions for Kids crew. Natasha will represent Hawaii Credit Unions and Kapiolani Medical Center at the Children's Miracle Network Hospitals Week in Orlando, Florida. EVA FCU celebrates its historic plantation past and vision for the future. On Saturday, February 15th, the credit union held its 88th annual business meeting. The $14 million West Oahu Credit Union drew over 200 members to the event, which featured bento lunches and 88 door prizes to commemorate its 88th anniversary. Hawaii State FCU recently donated $5,000 to Hawaii Meals on Wheels. This donation was made as part of Hawaii State FCU's Giving Tuesday initiative. This year, Catalyst will conduct a host of financial management training webinars. Experts will explore topics such as inflation, interest rate risk, loan demand, investments, liquidity, and more. The League Nomination and Election Committee met on Tuesday, February 18th to tally votes cast in the recent election for the HCUL Director at Large. The committee certified that Alan Arai was duly elected as Director at Large. And that's a wrap on this week's League News. Check your inbox for weekly newsletters. If you missed an issue, go to our website, click on Publications, and review our newsletter and video archives. And remember, dude, you rule. Keep living the dream.